Choosing a drone isn't always as simple as it sounds. Many models claim to shoot in 4K, but once you start flying, you notice shaky footage and poor control. That can really affect the final result of your videos. That's why going for a drone with GPS and a reliable camera makes a huge difference if you want smoother, more professional-looking shots. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best 4K camera drones with GPS available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these drones, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Holy Stone HS-175D drone. A great choice if you want something easy to fly, reliable, and packed with smart features to capture smooth aerial shots without the hassle. It's built for convenience, making it a solid option for both beginners and casual users who want better results right away. One of its biggest highlights is the 4K camera with a 110-degree wide-angle lens, which helps you capture wider, clearer views with solid detail. You can also tilt the camera up to 90 degrees, making it easier to frame your shots without constantly adjusting the drone's position. This makes a big difference when recording landscapes or travel footage. When it comes to safety, it includes a GPS system with auto return home, so it can fly back to where it started if the signal drops or the battery gets low. This adds peace of mind, especially if you're still learning or flying in open areas. It also features real-time transmission at 5 GHz, giving you a smoother and more stable live view on your phone while flying. Another strong point is its flight time of up to 46 minutes with 2 batteries included, letting you fly longer without stopping often to recharge. This is perfect for practicing, exploring new places, or recording more content in one session. It's also designed to be beginner-friendly, with features like altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff and landing, and adjustable speed, all of which make flying much easier and help you stay in control from the start. On top of that, it comes with smart flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Orbit Mode, and Gesture Control, allowing you to capture photos and videos automatically with very little effort. The foldable and lightweight design with a carrying case makes it easy to take anywhere and get the most out of every trip. Next up, we have the DJI Mini 3 drone, a great option if you're looking to step up your video quality with better stability, longer flight time, and more creative features. It's designed to give you smoother results without making things complicated, whether you're just starting or already have some experience. One of its standout features is the 4K HDR camera, which captures clearer images with better balance between bright and dark areas. This becomes especially noticeable during sunrises or sunsets, where the footage looks more vivid and closer to a professional level. It also includes a GPS system with auto return home, giving you extra peace of mind while flying. If the battery runs low or the signal is lost, it automatically returns to where it took off, reducing the chances of losing it and making it a reliable choice for different types of users. Another strong point is the video transmission range of up to 6.2 miles, allowing you to explore larger areas while maintaining a stable live view. This makes it easier to capture more dynamic and interesting aerial shots without worrying about losing connection. In terms of battery life, it offers up to 38 minutes of flight time, and with an upgraded battery, it can reach up to 51 minutes. This gives you more time in the air to record, practice, or explore without constant interruptions. It also features true vertical shooting, which is perfect for creating content ready for platforms like TikTok or Instagram without needing extra editing. On top of that, the 3-axis mechanical gimbal and level 5 wind resistance help keep your footage smooth, even in more challenging conditions. Its brushless motors add stability and allow safe flights at altitudes up to 13,123 feet. All of this comes in a lightweight and compact design under 0.55 pounds, making it easy to carry anywhere. Plus, with smart features like quick shots and panorama modes, capturing creative content becomes simple, even if you're new to flying. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the Potensic Atom SE drone, a well-balanced option that delivers solid performance, stable control, and reliable image quality, especially if you're just getting started and don't want to spend too much. One of its key highlights is the 4K camera with a Sony sensor, capable of capturing 12-megapixel photos and smooth video thanks to its electronic stabilization. This helps reduce shake and gives you cleaner footage, even while the drone is moving. It also features a GPS system with auto return home, which adds an extra layer of safety. If the battery gets low or the signal drops, it automatically flies back to where it took off, making it easier to use and helping prevent losing it. Another big advantage is its total flight time of up to 62 minutes with 2 batteries included, allowing you to stay in the air longer without constant recharging. This is perfect for trips or longer recording sessions where you want to make the most of your time. In terms of range, it offers a transmission distance of up to 2.5 miles, keeping a stable connection and letting you see a real-time view of what you're recording. The signal stays smooth even at a distance, which improves the overall flying experience. Its lightweight design, under 0.55 pounds and foldable structure, make it easy to carry in a backpack or even a jacket, making it very practical for travel or outdoor use. It also includes an intelligent flight control system with multiple modes, including a beginner mode and a faster option that can reach up to 52 feet per second, adapting to different skill levels. On top of that, the brushless motors and level 5 wind resistance help keep flights stable outdoors, giving you more confidence when recording in moderate conditions. Now let's move on to the DJI Mini 4K drone, a great pick for anyone who wants smoother, sharper footage with strong stability, solid battery life, and easy controls right from the start. One of the first things that stands out is its 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, which helps capture very smooth and steady video, even while moving. This makes a big difference if you're looking for more professional-looking shots without dealing with shaky footage. It also comes with a GPS system and auto return home, giving you extra confidence while flying. If the battery runs low or the signal is lost, it automatically returns to the takeoff point, helping you avoid losing it and making it beginner-friendly. Another strong feature is its transmission range of up to 6.2 miles, allowing you to see a stable live view of what you're recording in real time. This gives you more freedom to explore and capture wider aerial shots without worrying about losing connection. In terms of battery life, it offers up to 31 minutes of flight per battery, and with additional batteries, you can extend your total flying time even more. This is perfect for longer sessions or when you want to get more footage in one trip. Its ultra-lightweight design under 0.55 pounds makes it very easy to carry anywhere, making it ideal for travel or outdoor use without adding extra bulk. It also handles wind well thanks to its level 5 wind resistance and brushless motors, which help maintain stable flights even in moderate conditions. On top of that, it includes smart features like quick shots, allowing you to create eye-catching shots automatically with just a tap, making it easy for anyone to get great results without prior experience. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, the Holystone HS360S drone is a great option if you want an easy way to capture aerial shots, combining solid range, stable flight, and smart features that make everything feel simple from the start. One of its main highlights is the 4K Ultra high-definition camera, which captures clear and detailed images, perfect for travel videos or social media content. Its wide-angle lens helps you fit more into every shot, giving your footage a more immersive look. It also features a GPS system with auto return home, which adds a lot of confidence while flying. If the battery runs low or the signal is lost, it automatically returns to where it took off, helping you avoid losing it and making it beginner-friendly. Another strong point is its control range of up to 1.8 miles, allowing you to maintain a stable connection and see a real-time view of what you're recording. It also uses a direct cable connection to your phone, which helps reduce interference and keeps the video feed smoother. In terms of design, it's an ultra-lightweight drone under 0.55 pounds, making it easy to carry anywhere. The foldable structure means you can pack it without taking up much space, which is perfect for trips or quick outdoor sessions. It also includes intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and preset movements, helping you create more dynamic shots without needing advanced skills. This makes it easy to get impressive results with minimal effort. On top of that, it's built to be beginner-friendly, with a dedicated beginner mode and optical positioning, which improves stability when flying at lower heights. Its brushless motors also provide better durability and more efficient performance during each flight. Overall, it offers a well-balanced experience within the 4K GPS drone category, especially for those looking for ease of use, good image quality, and smart features without spending too much. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect drone for you, or if there's another drone you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.